Improve design efficiency and save time when cleaning up drawings by automatically recognizing objects to convert into blocks with the help of Autodesk AI. Drawings that have been created without the use of blocks, such as those imported from other sources, can now be scanned and potential block objects can be identified. Once the groups of recognized objects have been examined, they can be quickly converted into new instances of either a new block or an existing suggested block, vastly speeding up this previously time-consuming process. For AutoCAD 2026, and with the new Review toolbar, you can now edit or change a primary instance, including the ability to add and remove objects from the selections, allowing the designer to modify and refine the search and resulting block groups. The enhanced Smart Blocks Detect and Convert features provides designers with more flexibility and productivity than ever working with blocks.